Hi, welcome to another business video by Nan. Yesterday we looked at company structure, and today here's the second part of company structure, part two, with a couple pictures or diagrams to help us better understand the different parts of the company. In the middle, of course, we have the headquarters, and headquarters are now, people use the word head office or main office or parent company. And when we talk about the headquarters, we normally use, we want to talk about the place, we normally use the headquarters are based in, so the headquarters are based in California, for example. And notice this is where we find the CEO, the Chief Executive Officer, the CFO, the Chief Financial Officer, and other department heads or managers. Of course, a lot of times you'll find extensions of this company in other cities or countries. So those are called subsidiaries. So I put it in the plural, but the singular is subsidiary. Kind of a difficult word to pronounce, so we'll take it slow. Subsidiary. And this is where we find the offices located in another city or country. But it's an extension of the headquarters of the main office.
But you do not, nor have you ever worked for a subsidiary of this company.
Here we have the outlets, stores or shops. Of course, I wrote at the top sale, so that means these are customers. Of course, this could be found near the headquarters, or the main office could be found near the subsidiary, could be found in other places, in other countries or other cities. Of course, outlets, we think of a bigger size, a little bit cheaper. Stores, yes, still good price. Shops are a little bit smaller, a little pricier, and then I didn't write it, but we also have something called boutiques. So that's another part of this company. Here I attempted to draw a truck. So this is distribution. Of course, the department is logistics, and this is when we distribute the product and bring it to the outlets from this other place, which is called the warehouse. So we bring the products from the warehouse to through the distribution or to the distribution center, and then they are sent to the outlets or stores or shops, whatever they may have. Of course, if we look at the warehouse, you'll notice we have the kind of the inventory of how many goods we have. So we call it goods, or we call it stock. So that's a part. Up here in green, we have the call center. So we're talking about customer service. So we might have the open plan office there. We have lots of people receiving phone calls, and that could definitely be outsourced. It could be found in a totally other country. And when I say outsourced, I mean it's given a part of the production process or part of the company's practice is done by someone else in another country or city. Why? To save costs. Or maybe they're just very good at it. So up here we have the service center. Of course, we need to have those, and these two are related, of course. If a customer has a problem and he needs his product to be fixed, we're going to call it the service center. You may have to, because of the guarantee or warranty, you may have to mail it in to the company, and at the service center they will fix it. If it's a service, not a product, they might come to your house. So that's the service center. And then over here, of course, is where we have the factory or plant. And that's where we have like a production line or assembly line. They're going from one place to the other, from one worker to the other. And then, of course, when the product is done, they are probably taken to the warehouse and then taken to the outlet, so that you have this particular production line and distribution chain that really works well. So these are the main parts of the company. Of course, there could be more, but these are the main ones. Just look for pronunciation, of course. The hardest ones to pronounce are distribution, subsidiaries, and the word headquarters. Thanks so much. Have a great day.